Hello and welcome to my channel. I plan to record my journey towards financial independence and retire early in this channel. Currently, I mainly focus on sharing my Canadian dividend stock investment journey and those stocks in my portfolio. This is the way that let money works for you and generate more money. In the future, I will also add contents introducing products that saves you money. So if you are interested in these topics, hit the like button to let me know. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to get the latest update. And now, let's get started. Today, the stock we are looking at is Scotiabank, one of Canada's big five banks, and it is the third largest Canadian bank by deposit and market capitalization. Scotiabank's major earnings comes from Canada. It takes up 64% of its entire earnings, and they also have businesses in the Pacific, the US, Caribbean, and Central America, as well as other international countries. By market share, Scotiabank ranked third in Canada and is top 15 in the US. It ranks 5th in Mexico, 3rd in Peru, 4th in Chile, and 6th in Colombia. So from the rankings here, we can tell that Scotiabank has a pretty strong performance in those countries that it has businesses. As one of the big five banks in Canada, we never need to worry about that Scotiabank may go bankrupt one day. So we can say that this is quite a safe and stable investment if we buy Scotiabank stock. And what makes me even like this bank is that if we look at its dividend history, we can find that Scotiabank actually declared its initial dividend on July 1st, 1833. That's like 200 years ago, and the payments has been made continuously since that time. So if we look at the dividend paying history time period, we can find the earliest date that we can track back is 1890. What this means is that even during the First World War and the Second World War, Scotiabank are still keep paying their dividend. If they can keep paying their dividends during the world wars, I think that already proved that how stable their dividend is. And if we look at their recent 10 years dividend paying rate, we can find actually their annual dividend rate is increasing year by year over the past 10 years. And this is really a good news for us dividend investors. Currently, the stock price of Bank of Nova Scotia is $79.3 per share, and we can see the market cap of Scotiabank is $95.8 billion, which is really a huge number, as it is the third largest bank in Canada. The beta value of Scotiabank is 0.85, which means the price of BNS is less volatile. So typically, if the beta value is higher than 1, then it is a more volatile stock. And if the beta value is less than 1, then the stock is less volatile. The PE ratio of BNS is around 15 and is still under 20, so this is a healthy value. The current dividend of BNS is $0.6 per share per year, and it pays a quarterly dividend, meaning that you will get your dividend every quarter. And its current dividend yield is 4.56%, which I think is a good number for us dividend investors. The payout ratio of BNS is around 67%, which is below 75%. And this means their payout ratio is healthy. Basically, what payout ratio means is that how much money the company uses for dividend from their earnings. And usually a payout ratio under 75% means their dividend is sustainable and has the potential to be increased. And for Scotiabank specifically, it has a record of paying dividend for around 200 years. So that is a pretty strong proof of a stable dividend to me. The fair value of Scotiabank is calculated to be $90.68 per share, which is higher than its current price, meaning that we are still buying the BNS stock at a discount. Even though it is not a significant discount, it's still indicating that currently BNS is around 12.8% undervalued. And if we look at the insider trading volume, we can see that in the past months, insiders have only bought more shares of BNS, meaning that the insiders of BNS has the confidence in their stocks. And for us retail investors, this is always news that we want to look at. Currently in my portfolio, I hold 8 shares of BNS with a total value of over 600 Canadian dollars. My average buying price is $76.75 per share, and BNS takes up 4.83% of my entire portfolio. My all-time return on BNS is around 3% up, meaning that I have earned around $20 since investing in this stock. Overall, if you're looking for a stock that pays you a stable and high dividend, then the big four banks definitely will be good choices. And check this BNS as an example. It has a history of paying dividends continuously for around 200 years. That's built up a strong confidence in BNS for me. And especially if you are investing in Canadian stocks, then the big banks are definitely some stocks that you want to have a look at, as the finance is a pretty strong sector for Canada. So what do you think of BNS? Do you already have it in your portfolio? Or after watching my video, do you plan to hold it or add it to your watch list? Leave a comment to let me know. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button to let me know. If you are looking for a zero commission fee platform to invest stocks, I recommend you Wealthsimple Trade. If you are looking for high interest saving account, Wealthsimple Cash offers 0.77% interest and EQ Bank offers you 1.25% interest, which are all higher than the big banks. Check out my referral links in the description to get a referral bonus when opening these accounts. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.